How to repost TikTok videos on your TikTok account. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you guys can simply repost your TikTok videos or somebody else's TikTok videos on your own account. Simply open up TikTok. After that, simply find a video that you want to repost on your TikTok account. So once you found that video, click on the bottom right on the arrow that you see and see if that particular video has a save video option. So if that particular video has a save video option, well then simply click on that, and then this particular video is going to start downloading on your phone. Now as soon as that is downloaded, you can simply come back to your profile and you can click on the plus button and you can simply click on upload, and you can simply upload any video that you want back onto your profile. Now that video can be that very same video that you just downloaded from TikTok, and you can simply upload that video back onto TikTok by simply choosing it, and then after that you can simply click on next and then simply click on next again and click on OK, and then you can simply just post the video. So guys, that is how easy it is to just simply repost videos on TikTok in just a few minutes. So guys, this was the video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care till next time. Goodbye.